What are disadvantages of selling social media templates?
Well, the disadvantage is that this is really saturated market. There's millions of templates for social media. Even in Canva itself, there are plenty of templates. So what you need to do, you need to have a really high quality product. Maybe you need to have a specific style that you use. You also need to focus on certain niche. So for example, yeah, it's fine if you're doing templates for some really small niche, but how many of them you're going to sell? So you need to do your research before. It's good if you stick to the trends, what people are looking for right now. And also markets like Etsy or digital market or somewhere else, they very saturated, so you need to know how to drive your own traffic to these markets for these templates to be sold. But it's doable. You can have really nice income from this. What's required? It's probably some designing skills. So if you want to sell something like this, you should know some kind of basic of designs. You can also create this kind of templates on demand. So you can be selling a package or let's say consultations, whatever, that you help customers to create a template specifically for them. This is a little bit harder and something else I'm gonna talk about it in different videos. But it's also a great source of income, and of course you need to be creative. Without creativity it's very difficult. So number one, social media templates, great source of income. You can really get into your creativity, but there's also lots of things around, and you need to know what you're doing.